Hello everyone, welcome to the Narrative Show. I know it's been a while. I hope you are doing well. We've been very busy moving from our home studio to a brand new location in Brea, California. With this brand new facility, we will hosting classes and private lessons as well. This platform allows us to work closely with many talented artists and manufacturers to bring you upcoming nail trends, creative nail art, and product acknowledgement so we all can learn and grow together. With that being said, we are excited and looking forward to 2020 for better vision and clear ideas so we all can grow and cultivate more skill sets. Before this year comes to an end, we just want to wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe and have a peaceful holiday season with your family and loved ones. Thank you so much for your love and support. We cannot wait to share with you more and more next year. Thank you again and see you again soon. Bye guys.